In today's video, I will teach you how you guys can log out from your WhatsApp account. Now, a lot of people might argue with me saying you can just click on U at the bottom. It'll take you to your WhatsApp setting. From over here, you can log out from your account. But I'm going to assure you guys this technique does not work because WhatsApp actually does not have a logout button. So if you're trying to log out of your WhatsApp from inside the WhatsApp app itself, it's not going to work. But yes, there is a way through which you guys can log out from your WhatsApp. And it's to delete the WhatsApp app in itself. By that, I mean I have my WhatsApp app, so right now I'm currently logged in, right? So if I delete my WhatsApp over here, so I click on remove app and click on delete app, and I will click on delete to confirm it. My WhatsApp is deleted. Now I will go on App Store again and click on search at the top and search for WhatsApp. So I'm going to re-download it again and click on the cloud icon. My WhatsApp will start to download. Now once it starts to download and it installs, if I open it, I will be logged out from my account because WhatsApp is going to ask me to log in into my account again. And from that area, I can log into any account I want. So this is the only way you guys can log out from your WhatsApp, by deleting WhatsApp and reinstalling it again. So I hope you understand how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. So let me show you guys this feature works by opening WhatsApp. So let it download for some time. It's taken a bit of more time than I thought due to my slow Wi-Fi. So my WhatsApp is downloaded. Now if I open it, it'll ask me to log in into my account just like this. So hope you understand how you guys can do this.